Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is Elder Rasan Shakur out of the great city of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. But family, this video is going to be about, I didn't come to YouTube for this bullshit that's going on in black YouTube, the black YouTube community. Very, very sad. I came on YouTube to get knowledge, to acquire knowledge, to acquire wisdom and understanding, and put out the knowledge and wisdom and understanding I have acquired over my 71 years on this planet. It seemed like to me, we got a lot of hate in black YouTube community. It's sad. It is very sad to take a platform like YouTube and make us a mockery. That's right. You got a lot of these black YouTubers are nothing but dividers and haters, envy, jealousy. Instead of taking their platform and we congregate together and solve this problem that we are having in America. Solve all these problems we got in our neighborhood. But no, they're beefing, lying, putting out other people's information, talking about hurting other people's children. If that ain't dysfunctional, what is that? Total division, total ignorance, and white folks sitting back laughing. That's right. Bad enough you got people like Tommy Sotomayor and a bunch of his wannabes that's spreading division. Then you got the gender wars between the melanated sisters and brothers that's spreading division. Then you got the A, B, C, D, E, F, G infiltrating. It's sad, family. And they came to see what they're doing to themselves. What they're doing to the whole black YouTube community is a joke. What else can it be? Where's the love? Where's the teachings? And that's not taken away from a lot of our brothers and sisters that's on YouTube, like Brother Dre, like Sister, the Radical Home Sister Nicole View, B. Miles, Captain PYT2, James and Joan Thomas, Light Barrier, See Temptation, Nazar Ra, the Pillars, people that are teaching, people that are bringing knowledge and wisdom, understanding about this planet, the do's and the don'ts, the negatives and the positives. That's what we're supposed to be doing, not bickering and fighting and putting each other down. No unity at all, black YouTube community. I didn't come here for that. I didn't come here for nobody hating on me. Hating on each other. Very sad. I didn't come here for that. I come on YouTube to give my knowledge, wisdom, understanding, and get knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, because they got a lot of brothers and sisters, got a lot of knowledge that I don't have. And I'm learning from them. Each one teach one. That's what we're supposed to be doing. Not all this division, not all this hatred, not all this envy, not all this jealousy. We'll never get out of this hole. And the Creator gave us a gift social media where you can bring forth your platform, where you can help each other grow, where we can collaborate with each other with positive information, positive. A lot of our history is being revealed by a lot of our scholars, but yet you got the downside, the evil side of black YouTube, the haters, and they hating in vain though. So when it's all said and done, the righteous will prevail. Truthfulness will prevail. That's right, family. Well, family, we're going to cut this video short. That was just my message to a lot of our black YouTube community. Let's get it together and bring some love. Let's bring some unity. Let's bring some togetherness. That's the only way we're going to get out of this depression of this evil entity that has invaded our planet and has brought nothing but destruction. Destruction to our minds, destruction to our children, destruction to our women and men. And a lot of them can't see what's happening because they're bickering and fighting and let their ego rule. That's right, family. But family, we're going to cut it short. I'm coming with a live stream later on. Peace and love to all the melanated family. Y'all make sure y'all share, put up the likes, and stay tuned for the next video or live stream. There will be a live stream today, for sure, family. And I'm out.